If you're a runner that's been struggling with sciatica, pain in your lower back or pain down your legs, and you're looking for quick relief exercises to get you back running fast, then you're going to want to watch this video because I'm going to show you 4 exercises you can do to get immediate sciatic pain relief. When you're looking to resolve sciatic pain, especially if you're a runner, there's some key tissues that you want to work to help alleviate pressure from your lower back. The first one is your glute muscles, your buttocks muscles. They're so important at driving yourself forward when you run, absorbing force, and taking pressure off your lower back. Your next set of muscles is your back and abdominal muscles, your core muscles. They help stabilize your spine, decrease pressure from your lumbar discs, and take pressure off the nerve roots that are causing pain down your leg. And finally, you want to have the right alignment and form so that you're symmetrical when you run and not overloading any individual area. The first drill we're going to do is primarily focused on your glutes to activate them to make sure your brain can access those muscles as well as working your core muscles. So let's dive in. Okay, so this is the supine bridge. Brad here has a band around his thighs just above the kneecaps. He's going to be pressing into that band. That's going to activate the external rotators of the glute max. From there, he's also going to lift his buttocks up off the ground. That's going to work the extension part of the glute max, which helps you get a longer stride length with running. And then finally, he's going to lift his arms up in the air, and he's going to hold his pelvis and abdominal area stable. This works the core muscles. So, Brad, what I want you to do, lift up your forefoot, so stay up, bring your toes up off the ground, dig your heels in, and then really drive your hips up into the sky. Good, and separate that band. So what you're going to want to do here is you're going to want to hold this for 30 seconds. And you really want to focus on squeezing both glutes by spreading into the band and lifting the hips up. You want to do this 3 to 4 repetitions. And then as you get better, you can increase the tension of the band to get a much better workout on your glutes when you're trying to help with your sciatica. So that first drill used your glute max, your big butt muscle, great for driving you forward and absorbing shock and running. The next drill is going to use your side buttocks muscle called your gluteus medius, and it's also going to use your oblique muscles. These are great stabilizers for your pelvis and stabilizers to take pressure off your lower back. Let's dive in. The setup for the side plank abduction, again, this is going to work both the bottom glute and the top glute. Is a great drill. It's also going to work on your core stabilizers. You're going to bend your bottom leg. That's going to be your stability point. You're going to be pushing with this knee, and you're also going to be pushing with this elbow. So Brad, go ahead and lift your hips up off the ground so the left side of his hip is facing towards the ceiling. Really squeeze this bottom glute to drive the hips up. Once you're in that position, you're going to fully straighten your leg, and then you're going to spread the band. Now the key here is you want to keep your body as stable as you can be. Keep both glutes squeezed, keep tension in the band, and you want to hold 30 seconds. Again, you want to do this 3 to 4 repetitions. You can even add in reps, so go ahead down and up as you get good to add some dynamic stability to your core. The key is don't rotate at the core and don't overly extend your lower back. Make sure your abdominal muscles stay tight as you do this to protect your back. This next drill focuses on the spinal extensors, glutes, and hamstrings. So everything in the posterior or back part of your body, super important for stability and taking pressure off your spine during running. So arms are going to be above the head, legs extended out straight. Brad, what you're going to do is you're going to start by squeezing both glutes. This is key. So squeeze it together. You can even press your heels together. So that helps drive activation of your glute muscles. From there, what you're going to do is you're going to lift arms and legs up off the ground at the same time, just a little bit, and then you're going to hold. So you're going to feel your spinal extensor muscles kick on, you're going to feel your glutes kick on, and you're going to feel your hamstrings. You're going to hold this 30 seconds, and you're going to do 3 to 4 repetitions. If you feel any pinching in your lower back, if you feel any pain down your legs, stop, rest, try again. You shouldn't feel any pain with this. In fact, it should take away pain as you do this drill. For the final drill that can get you immediate sciatic pain relief, we're going to be focusing on your abdominal muscles, your oblique muscles, your chest muscles, and then we're going to be doing that for an endurance, meaning holding portion. That's key with these drills because your core stabilizers need to work on and off throughout the day while you sit, while you run. It's super important to work these for endurance. So before we hop into that, guys, if you're finding value out of these exercises so far, drop a comment below. Ask me any questions you want about your sciatic pain, and I'll always answer them. All right, let's dive into the last sciatic relief drill. All right, for this drill, there's a couple parts that we want to get right to make sure we get maximum value. The first thing that you're going to do for the drill is you're going to bring both your legs up to 90 degrees. So go ahead and bring your legs up to here. Good. What you want to do is you want to make sure your legs stay exactly at 90 here, not too far in this direction and not too far in that direction. Once you're here, and this is the key part of the exercise, you're going to take both hands and you're going to push them into your knees. You don't want to like really get into it. You don't want a lot of push, just a little bit. Enough to feel your abdominal muscles engage, feel your obliques engage, and you're going to hold. And you're going to take breaths in through your nose and long breaths out through your mouth to make sure you're using your whole abdominal wall. And you're going to do this for 30 seconds or until you fatigue. And you're going to do this 3 to 4 repetitions. Again, this should alleviate pain, not cause pain. Feel any pain down your legs, stop and try it again, but it shouldn't cause any sharp pain or issue. All right, so those are the 4 immediate relief sciatica exercises you can do as a runner to make sure you get out of pain fast and get back to running. These are drills that focus on your glutes, your core, and your leg muscles, all important parts of making sure there's less pressure on your disc and less pressure on your sciatic nerve. Once you're out of pain after doing these drills, you want to then progress into running specific buttocks, core, and leg strengthening drills. And you can find 2 videos here on the screen that'll do exactly that for you once you're out of sciatic pain. I hope you found value for these videos. If you did, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and until next time, runners, train smarter and perform better.